Morning, Bob.
Oh, morning.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Thanks for being willing to be interviewed. So, can you state your name and how long you've lived here at the Sauk County Healthcare Center?
Okay, my name is Robert Leopold. Most people know me by Bob. And I've been here a little over a year.
Okay, good
A
to know.
year and a half.
Year and a half. Okay, good. I'd like to ask you two questions, but feel free to elaborate as much as you want to when you answer these. The first question is, why did you and maybe your family choose the Sauk County Healthcare Center when you needed more care?
To give you some background, I was having a problem with my health. And I went to the doctor and he prescribed some medication. It didn't work.
Okay.
He took me to some specialist, and they said that, yeah, I have that problem, but I can't have surgery because it's at high risk.
Okay.
So, going back and forth, they got me some in-house services.
Okay.
And it was working, but not, I didn't have enough time to get, they didn't have, instead of have coming every day, they could come once a week, and it didn't really pan out.
Yeah, it wasn't enough for the in-home care. Right.
And so then, one of the girls that was there saying, you know, we talked about going someplace, and she mentioned the healthcare center. And as soon as she said the healthcare center, I thought, my wife went there 30 years ago, and it was lovely there. The only thing that over there was the rooms were small, but the people were caring just as they are today. They're there for you, they do things for you. And I said, yes, I'm going to go to the healthcare center.
And your wife was there when it was in the old location in Loganville.
Yes.
And when you moved here, obviously, a year and a half ago, it was the new facility built in 2009.
I'm sorry?
It was the new facility that you moved into.
Right.
That was built in 2009, right, Bob?
Yes.
Yeah. And so, what was I going to ask you about that? How was it when you came here?
Well, when I first came here, I came to my room, and I thought, be by myself and not getting. I just felt lonely.
Yeah.
And I went out to have my meal, and everybody was, "Hi, Bob, how are you doing?" It was like, "Hey, these people talk to you," and I felt really good about it. You know, like, "Hi, Bob, what are you doing?" And the thing is here is, it's not just, there's three wings here, and we all get together and have fun together. We just have a great time here.
Wow.
And the CNAs and these kids come in and help. It's my home right now. It's my only home right now.
Yeah. And you told me once, because I know you, I'm a retired teacher myself from Reedsburg, and you told me that after a week, just a week here, you felt like it was home.
Yes, I did. As most people who like to be in their own home, but I can't be there.
Right.
But this is my second home. You take me out of this home, and I don't know how I'm going to do.
Yeah, I understand. Now I'm going to ask you one more question, and Bob, why do you want to stay here at the Sauk County Healthcare Center?
Well, first of all, I'm getting the care I need.
Okay.
The people are very concerned about you. They're checking on you all the time, making sure that you're safe, and they're caring. You know, they're just
Sure.
To leave here is like going into another. You know, I'm afraid to go someplace else because this is gonna be as good as this place.
Sure.
This place is super great.
Wow.
And you know, we play cards together, we do checkers together, and there's umpteen of us, and we all laugh and get along so well.
Wow.
And to leave here is going to be devastating to, not only to me, but it's a lot of other people here.
Yeah.
Feel the same way. This is their home. They feel comfortable here.
Yes.
They feel like they can, if they need something, somebody's there to help them. And you're not just a number. You're a person.
Right.
Here.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, and is there anything else you want to add to this interview? Is there anything else that, I know you have a son in Reedsburg.
Yes.
He's not able to visit you at this time because of his own health issues, but the Reedsburg area is your home too, so you probably know a lot of people here.
Yes, I do. I have a lot of people stop in and talk to me for
Oh.
maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, good.
But, yeah, one other thing is, if they move out of this area, my son has a disability, which he can't drive and he can't work. If I'm in Reedsburg, he can take a cab and come and see me like he often does. But if I'm in Richmond Center or Spring Green, there's no way that he can come and see me.
Exactly. That's right.
And that's a hard thing to
think
do.
about. Yeah. Bob, I want to thank you so much for being willing to talk to me today. And I know it's a very emotional issue, and I just appreciate the fact that you're willing to talk so openly about it. So thank you very much, and appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome.